will review BEDLORE waterproof mattress pad. Let's put it on my mattress together.
It's soft, skin-friendly, noiseless, strong elasticity. The TPU on the back provides better waterproofing. This mattress protector is very easy to put on and off. It's easy to use and doesn't lose its waterproofing after a few washes. Mattress fits majority of the mattresses up to 18 inches in height. This mattress would be perfect if you sleep with the pets, for elder people, children, or pregnant women.
It's absolutely dry. Wet, dry inside. Dry.